Tutorial on how to apply for the degree verification. Log in through student portal student.gtu.ac.in. Enter your enrollment number, password, captcha code to submit. If you have any query regarding login, kindly refer the video mentioned in the description box. Click on the Certificate Request tab on the home page. Click on the link. Click here for new certificate request given in the red color. Read all the instructions carefully and scroll down. Enter your address, city, pin code and state to submit. Select Ahmedabad zone from the drop-down menu. Select degree verification from the drop-down menu as type of the certificate. Select number of copies. Upload ID proof and degree or diploma certificate. Do not upload provisional certificate or any grade sheet. Check the instructions for size and extension before uploading the documents and submit. Scan copy of the degree certificate. Upload it should be clear and visible, with all the borders visible, and no background. Your address, payable amount and documents are visible on the portal. Pay fees to proceed further. You can change the documents while the status is pending. Check application status on the portal itself. We will post the sealed envelope of the verified copies of your degree certificate at your Indian residential address if the documents uploaded by you are correct. For any query, contact us on student_support@gtu.edu.in. For more updates, kindly subscribe to GTU's official YouTube channel. Thank you.